Hello, my lovely people. You are welcome back to my channel. I greet you according to your time and according to the time you are seeing this video. How are you doing? I hope you are good. My correct people, they said allegedly that Olori Igbe, Olori Blue's son have been missing, and hey, she's accusing her Olori Two-Face and Igbe to the extent that she have also called DSS for Igbe, that her son is missing. You know, this protest of a thing, Kabiyesi have been planning and going to different meetings based on this protest. And I think Kabiyesi it's not as if he doesn't want protest, but, you know, as a good man, he wants people to protest, say their mind, say what is their problem, so that the government will look into it. But he have been advising them that protesting is not bad and he's not against it, but what he's against is you people destroying lives and properties of people because of this protest. That he's not against protesting and all of that. But the thing is that Olori Blue, as we heard, her son have been missing. I don't know what happened, but whatever that may happen, I think she deserve it, because I can't see the reason why somebody will be planning evil against another woman's son. Yes, I can't see the reason why she would be planning evil. She would want to buy Tadenikawo. She would want different kinds of things to happen against Tadenikawo, just because she said that it's because of Tade that made Queen Kabiyesi to love Queen Naomi so much. Therefore, she will now terminate Tade just to pepper Queen Naomi. Her own is just missing. The missing might be that he will come back, or he may not come back. But our prayers is that he will come back, so that if he comes back and he behold his son, he will hold his son and think about the one, that another person's son that he's planning to buy in the name of marriage. And do you know the worst of it all? We heard allegedly that Olori Blue have been in a relationship with Kabiyesi. He did not wait for Kabiyesi to come and marry her. She went and married the man that married her. Okay, even when Kabiyesi have not become king, he did not show interest that, hey, I love this man to the extent of marriage. It was after Kabiyesi became a king, he came back. She came back. Even Ashley. Ashley was a friend to Kabiyesi, as we heard. But it got to a time, Ashley went and married. See, let me tell you, these people is that they are just being greedy. It is greediness that is doing them this thing. All these Oloris now, majority of them that have known Kabiyesi for long, they knew Kabiyesi before now, when he have not even become Kabiyesi. He's just 8 years lasting, abi. This year is going to make it 9 years, abi. They knew him before. Maybe, I think he might even propose to them. Some of them would say no. Because he's now a king. They now want to come and reap from where they did not sow, to the extent of frustrating Queen Naomi out of his palace and taking over. And not just frustrating her out of the palace, also want to buy her son, just because of her destiny entails that Kabiyesi loves her. It's not as if Kabiyesi did what he's supposed to do when Queen Naomi needed him most. But now he's trying. Let's just say that he's trying. But he's not too trying, because there are things that he was asked to stop doing that he's still doing right now. He needs to stop all of those things. You see? So guys, I was like, Kabiyesi. Okay, Olori Blue was like, Kabiyesi, you heard that my son is missing, and you are planning to go for meeting, abi? That you should call your Oloris. They said that Blue was telling Kabiyesi, You should call your wife and tell them to provide my son. Especially the one that she's suspecting. She said that especially Blue, Igbi, sorry, and the Two-Face. That Kabiyesi should call these people and tell them to provide his son. Otherwise, if Kabiyesi insists and did not call them and they leave for the meeting at Imo State, that she is coming to that Imo State to disgrace Kabiyesi. Yes, to scatter meeting for Kabiyesi. That Kabiyesi should do what he's supposed to do, my people. I was like, why is she complaining? Had it been Tadenikawo that they are saying that is missing now, won't she be happy? She will be happy. Now her own son is missing. She is complaining, telling Kabiyesi to do something. Kabiyesi will not do anything. They say that Kabiyesi did not even do anything. Kabiyesi went for the meeting and was waiting for her to come to that Imo State. But people were like, thank God that she did not go to Imo State, because had even she went there, she would have scattered things for Kabiyesi. There's no two ways about it. Kabiyesi will just call security and security will just arrest her. Her case is small. Her case is too small. Look at her. So you wouldn't want anything to happen to your son, but you want it to happen to another person's son. Now you are threatening to go and scatter Kabiyesi's meeting at Imo State, because Kabiyesi went for a meeting about this protest of a thing, to know how the protest is going to be and all of that. But Kabiyesi's major point is that people should not destroy lives and property, and that should be our prayers too. Yes, my correct people, we all should be praying concerning that protest. Thank God. I'm just thanking God that it's not Kunomi's son that is missing. And the time they said that they plan against Tadenikawo, paid one boy like that 1.2 million naira to go and buy Tade. Thank God that they did not succeed. My prayers is that this one will not. The Blue will see her son back. The boy will come back, but she need to repent, and she need to use her teeth to count her tongue. Use her tongue to count her teeth, because evil that men plan go back to them. If you plan it against another person, it will come back to you. So you better not plan evil against anybody, because the cup you want to use to measure for another person, if they use and measure it for you, will you like it? Anyway, guys, I just say let me share this one with you, that her son is missing and she's blaming everybody, to the extent of calling DSS on Igbe and the Two-Face, that they should provide their son, her son for her. I don't know whether they are the one that took her son, no, but they know where they took their bath. Let them go there and collect their clothes. Me, I will not follow them go there. So thank you, and don't forget that all of these are all alleged information. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. If you have not given this video thumbs up, please try and do it. Thank you. I love you guys.